Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to an update on Kaspa. Wanted to update it. I didn't do it this morning, so I felt like making some more videos. And obviously, Kaspa, not necessarily that bullish today, but yesterday evening was very bullish. And what we talked about in the last video was that Kaspa, in general, it was already very bullish the last time as well. If you take a look at this, for example, the open interest, what you'll see is that it was already very high. As you can see, it topped out the 16th. So when the price also topped out, and now the open interest is increasing again. It's super strong. It's still going up right now. So Kaspa in general, just very bullish. All right, it got that Binance futures listing, of course, I think on 2 days ago as well. So in general, Kaspa is just doing amazing. It's very bullish. It's been bullish for a while. I actually wanted to buy down here, or at least I thought about buying down here. Didn't do it. Should have done it, but all right. So right now the big question is what's next for Kaspa, all right? So my main price target still is between 15 and 15.5 cents. And then afterwards, if for some reason Kaspa is able to break above that, which is definitely possible, it's 17.5 cents. All right, so that's in general, those are my price targets. And at this moment, personally, and I'm always interested in what your thoughts are, but personally, I see no reason with an open interest gain like this, why Kaspa would not get up there. Everything about it is bullish. In my eyes, the most important support level is between 13 and 12.5 cents. So what you see is that Kaspa broke down below that, but then it found support at this second support level at the 382 fib and the 28 EMA, broke back above that. So it just got bullish confirmation, technically. And then apart from that, like I said, momentum is there. So I see no reason why it would not continue up to that price target. Now, I must say that at some point of time, I do think that Kaspa is going to get quite a big correction. A price movement like this cannot go on forever. Even though, I know how strong the Kaspa community is. I know that Kaspa is a decent project at the very least, but it just cannot continue forever. So right now, one of the only things I don't necessarily like is that we're seeing quite a lot of bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin. Usually, that you would think that translates into more bullish momentum for Kaspa, and that's not necessarily what we're seeing right now. So that's the only thing I could say where I'm like, well, that's not necessarily the greatest, but even though that's the case, technically Kaspa is bullish, fundamentally it's bullish. So I am going to say that it gets up to that level at 15 and 15.5 cents, and then from there. The question is can it get to 17.5 cents? And I think that depends on how it reacts to that resistance. If it reacts to that resistance by dropping down to 14 cents and then holding that as support, then it makes a higher low. And then it's also likely that 17.5 cents is next. But if it finds a lot of resistance from there and drops back down to 12.5 cents, it's probably going to be the top. All right, so that's something we'll still have to see. Apart from that, just in general, like I said, 12.5 cents at 13 cents is really the most important support level right now. If for some reason whatsoever that level breaks, I do think that Kaspa will fall down. I see no reason right now why it would break, but just in general, you should know that that's the support level holding us up. All right, so those are my thoughts on Kaspa for now. I don't think I missed anything. Lastly, if you're interested in my premium group or in my Signal group, I have both. You can check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments. There you can read more about that, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.